In this video, I'm going to take you behind the scene and show you how I manage working for multiple clients as a virtual assistant, how I manage creating content for my brand, including my YouTube channel and all my social profiles, and also how I manage my coaching program, always out getting overwhelmed. These are things that I do on a daily basis. And the goal of this video is to show you a practical real life systems that you can follow, including my workflow and all the tools that I use so that you can make consistent progress even if you have so many things that you have to do every day. And the first thing I start with every single day is preparation. This is the first thing I do in the beginning of my day. And what I normally do is I spend around 20 minutes early in the morning when I'm ready to start working to prepare for the day. And the things I do under this preparation for the day is the first thing, I go to the project management tool that we use for all my clients. I have 2 clients that I work for consistently, and then I have some other clients that I do some temporary work for them. So the 2 main clients that I work for consistently on a recurring basis, they have their own project management tool that we work together, we collaborate with their team. And one client is using ClickUp, and the other client is using Teamwork. And so the first thing I do when I wake up and I'm ready to start working, I go into ClickUp and Teamwork. I take a look at all the tasks that I have for today, all the tasks that I need to do today. And I review each task and I add priority to each task. I look at all the tasks and decide which one takes the highest priority. And I mark them as the highest priority. And any task that I mark as the highest priority is the task that I am going to start with. Later on in the video, I'm going to show you how I use Trello to manage all my projects, my personal project and my client project. But this is the first thing that I do. I check Teamwork and ClickUp. I look at all the tasks that I need to do for the day and I assign priority to each task. When I do this, the next thing that I do is I go to my Google Calendar. I look at my Google Calendar and I see all the events that I have for the day. Usually the only things I add in my Google Calendar are client meetings and my YouTube recording sessions. YouTube recordings take me around 1 or 2 hours. When I sit down, I want to record it to take me around 1 to 2 hours. So I normally add it in my Google Calendar, the days that I want to record within the week and the time that I want to record. So I look at my calendar and see if I have any meeting or YouTube recording or any appointment that I need to fit into my day. And I also open Notepad in my computer and I take note of anything that is not in the project management tool. Anything that is not in ClickUp or Teamwork, I take note of it in my computer Notepad. And this is what I do in my preparation. Within 20 minutes, I have a good idea of what I need to do for the day. And the next thing that I do is time allocation. And this is when I decide what to do first, then what to do next, and what I shall close with. I normally divide my day into 3. I work in the morning, I work in the afternoon, and I work in the evening. Let me show you my Trello board so that you can see exactly how I categorize my day and how I categorize all the tasks that I need to do for the day. So this is my Trello board. This is my personal Trello board that I used to work with. And you can see I have morning tasks which are must to do. And what I normally do is anything that I have to do in a day, I add it in this morning task. Because anything that I must to do, I want to get it out of the way early in the morning. So that anything that I have to do next, even if something come up and I couldn't do all the other things that I plan to do, I made sure I take care of all the things that I must to do. And you see the first thing is communication. And the reason why I have communications as the top is when I woke up in the morning, I have many emails that I need to attend to. Some emails are from clients, some emails are from my client customers or my client's client. So those are the first things I take care of. I check my email inboxes. I respond to any email that need my attention. And then the next thing I do is this WT recording task. WT is the initial of one of my clients. So as soon as I finish dealing with all the communications, I go to ClickUp and I start working on this client task. Recording tasks are the tasks I work for every day for this client or every week, depending on the schedule. So that is what I do. As soon as I finish communication, I go to ClickUp. I started working for this client WT recording task. I made sure I finish all this client recording tasks, which are the things that I must do in a day. And as soon as I finish this, I go to the next client, which is PNC schedule task. I go to Teamwork. I look at all the tasks that are scheduled under this client PNC. As soon as I finish this one also, I know everything that I must do for the day had been completed. So I made sure even if something come up within the day and I couldn't work, I couldn't do anything else, those things that I must do, I know I took care of them. And I took a rest. When I finished all this, I took a rest. I continue working in the afternoon, but almost all the work I do in the afternoon are personal work. I record for YouTube. If I have YouTube recording, if I check my Google Calendar right here, you see if I have YouTube recording, I can see it right here in my Google Calendar. If I have other events, I can see them right here in my Google Calendar. So any personal task that is my own personal brand, I am going to do it in the afternoon slot. I record my YouTube content, I create content plan or update any content plan I have. I take care of my student engagement and team collaboration. Team collaboration is usually working with my thumbnail designer, my content assistant, and my community manager. I collaborate with them. If there is anything, we take care of it within my afternoon time slot, because this even works for most of the people who work for me. And when I finish this, the next thing I do is in the evening. While I do my morning task or in my afternoon slot, sometimes some tasks are going to come up. Maybe a client is going to request something. If a client requests something, I add it to attend to client request right here in this card. So that when in the evening, when I am ready to close my work, the first thing I'm going to do is check this attend to client request. If there is anything, if any of my client request anything, I am going to add it right here. So I just open it in the evening, go through all the client requests and take care of them. Anything that I cannot take care of within that day, I move it to the next day. So this is what I do. And when I finish taking care of anything that come up within the day, I respond to emails, because I receive emails all throughout the day. So I check all my emails, make sure I take care and attend to any email that need my attention. When I do this, I close. I am done for the day. Then tomorrow I start all over again. Tomorrow by the time I wake up, I start with communications, client recording task, then my own personal brand, and then closing my work. So this is really how I manage my work every day. And really the tools I use is not that hard. The only really tools that I use every day is Trello, ChatGPT, and Google Calendar. Those are the things I use on a daily basis. I use other project management tools like Teamwork and ClickUp because my clients are using those. So I work with them. But personally, I use Trello because it's just very easy. And I like to take things easy. I like to do things in the most easiest way. So I work with Trello to arrange all my tasks and make sure everything is in order. I use Google Calendar to schedule any client meetings and any appointment that I have. And lastly, I use ChatGPT for everyday use. And this is really how I manage my client work, my personal brand work, and managing my coaching program. And most times I have some web design client, which is not part of my virtual assistant work. Even right now, I have 2 web design clients that I work in for. And normally how I manage that is I allocate the time that I am going to work for in the morning. So depending on the recording task that I have, if I finish my recording task early, I'm going to use the extra time to work on the web design client. And after I close my work for the day, the last part of my day is just communication and attending to client need, client request. So that doesn't really take much time. So when I finish that, then I take care of all my web design client, because that is not something that I have to do every day. I just make sure I finish the website within the time frame that I give that client. So that is really how it works. And doing this is going to help you, even if you are a beginner virtual assistant, you are just learning virtual assistants. Doing this is going to help you get used to working with project management tool. If you just use this kind of workflow that I have in Trello, you are going to learn the basics of Trello. And you are going to get used to working online. Even if you only do your own personal things. Let's say you want to learn some virtual assistant skills. So you create your own Trello workflow. You allocate time that you are going to spend learning this, and the time you are going to spend learning that, the time you are going to allocate into applying to jobs, looking for client, or the time you allocate into connecting with potential client or connecting with other virtual assistant. And if you are thinking you don't really have the time to do this, maybe you have a full-time job, or maybe you are going to school, check out this video where I'm going to give you a simple strategy that you can follow to achieve progress with only 2 hours per day. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.